Extraordinary Healer Award for Oncology Nursing is Christy Santor. Congratulations, Christy, and thank you for your dedication to patients and their loved ones.
There's only 13 other nurses in the entire nation that have ever won this award, so I'm in such an elite group of oncology nurses that I couldn't be more honored. I started the Caregiver Support Program about 3 years ago now in coordination with the Wellness and Integrative Oncology Center here at Hillman. The idea came from an interaction I had with a caregiver in the treatment room. She told me that there were support groups out there for her husband, but she was struggling and she needed support. Prior to COVID, we were meeting here at Hillman twice a month. We always met routinely the same times. We always met the second Tuesday and the fourth Wednesday, just for consistency, so that the caregivers would know that we were there. The response is just totally warms my heart.
I found the group very helpful for a caregiver who has lost a loved one.
This is a place where you can kind of fill your spirit up again.
We can come and share and express ourselves and get help and talk to other people that are in the same way, the emotional and psychological support. And to me, that's as valuable, if not more so, than the physical support.
That's what just has been the best thing for me. I can't even just explain how wonderful that makes me feel that we were able to do something like that for them.
My name is Adrean Allen. I work in the housekeeping department, and on my normal days, I clean, I sing, put a smile on people's face. That's the part I really like the most.
Hospitals aren't an area where people come to have fun. So when you have someone like Adrian that brings a little bit of levity, a little bit of warmth to the organization, not only does it help our patients and our support staff helping the patient, it helps all of our employees. And Adrian is that kind of individual. He provides excellent EVS work, but he also builds a culture and a happiness, and that's important for us. It makes it a better environment for all of us.
Every single day when I come, I know there's people that are gonna be here in pain. So when I come around, I try to make them smile. I try to put a smile on their face, and that's my goal for the day when I enter Mercy Hospital, to make my patient happy. I don't care what nobody says. Some people will say, oh, I need the money. Yeah, I'm here for the money. I do need the money too, but trust me, I'm here to put a smile on my patient's face. That's it.